Hey guys, this is an alternative to the OEM deck rail systems for Toyota Tundras. This is way cheaper than getting them directly from the dealership. All you need to do is go to Home Depot and get galvanized channel. I'm gonna put the description and the link in the bottom of the video. They sell them in a 10 foot or 10 feet length, so all you gotta do is cut it in two pieces. That's gonna be enough for both sides. Also, the railing bolts to the side of the bed using M6 diameter screws, so you can find those at Home Depot. In my case, unfortunately, they only had 4, so I went ahead and bought them. So I had to add more because it has 4 of them, 1, 2, 3 and 4, so I had to add these ones, but eventually I'm gonna buy the matching ones for those, and because I'm in a time crunch, I'm not gonna paint that, but probably in a month or two I'm gonna go ahead and take them off because it's pretty easy, and just you know, clean them up and paint them with bed liner so it matches the truck. You also need I believe this is 3/8 washers, and that is what is going to add more leverage on the actual screws. And lastly, some of the bolts are not going to, or some of the holes are not going to match the openings on the channel. So what you gotta do is just cut off a piece of it, and that's it. Honestly, this is super simple, and all of this cost me about $80. That included, you know, additional hardware that I know I'm not gonna need, but yeah. Oh, and one more thing that is actually quite important is that to fasten things, you will need this. Hold on, you're gonna be needing this. Okay, I'm gonna put the link also in the video. However, this spring is too long, so it's almost impossible to make it fit in here. So what you do is just cut it in the middle. As you can see, I already cut some of them, and then they slide pretty easily. You can see some of them already in there that I'll be using. Here's a good example to fasten everything. Right now nothing is secured, but anyways, this is super simple, a lot cheaper than the OEM ones, and also this is 14 gauge, and to me, I think this is stronger than the OEM. I had them on my previous Tundra, and this is thicker. So anyways, I hope it helps.